Alright, we're going to do a quick video. I'm just messing around today. I want to fix my Red Ryder. My friend came over. Well, it's his Red Ryder, so really no foul, no harm. And this happened. Oh, I hit the tripod. And this happened, so broke off the handle. So basically is what I did is I went on eBay, bought a replacement. It's not a new video. I believe this is the handle. This guy wrapped everything nicely in paper and everything. Didn't have to, could have probably just thrown it in, but maybe I'll give a shout out to the eBay seller this video. Oh man, and it's in plastic, and then it's in bubble wrap. So the full treatment. And we have it, Daisy metal lever. It's actually a Red Ryder lever, so that's cool. I also bought the spring, but I haven't really looked into the spring directions as of yet. So basically this spring will make it shoot at a higher rate. So there's a spring for it, which I'll put in when I get a chance. I gotta look up the directions to do that. But overall, this first part is super easy, so I'm just gonna replace the lever so I can get out there and play with it before the sun goes away. So from what I was told, there is the back of this thing, there is one bolt, and you just need to crack loosen it basically. Might take you 2 shots and undo that with your finger. Don't lose the bolt. Flip this bad boy back over. You're gonna need a Phillips head to do this, and oh man, sorry. We're just going to unscrew it. So just release the lever. Hope this one is the right size. And pop that screw out. That's done. So lever comes out. Oh, lever comes out. And this is what it originally looked like before it was shattered. And now I have a nice metal one. Ooh, this looks so nice. Alright, so this, I was told, slides back in here. Slides back into the base of the body. And you want to slide it in to that little groove right there. Once you got it in, pop that in there. Got your screw. You want to get it as close to the body as the thing. Get the screw back in there. Tighten her up. Oh, ratcheted screwdriver. Then flip her back over. Put the nut, get the nut back on there. You should be able to do it with your hands. If you're actually somewhat, maybe if I look at it a little bit better and not try to do it down there, I can actually do it. Oh, huh, hold on. Try it this way. I think I had it right the first time. There we go. You can hand tighten it down. And then you want to just, whoops, get it all snug as you can. And tighten it down. Oh, try not to tear up the paint. Alright, there we go. Now, reinstalled with a new lever. Check it out. Let's try it out. So overall, build was successful. Lever works good. It's nice. It's nice that it's metal, opposed to the plastic one it originally came with, which just, as you can see, doesn't last. Anyways, so the next time you see this machine being rebuilt, I'm going to try to get this spring in there so we can get some more power on that BB coming at you in slow-mo. Hope you enjoyed this one. Till next time.